What's up, business marketing? So here we can tell you how my status can be boosted and goes to number of people using the ads. So if you are using a business account and if you wanted to boost your status to reach a number of people and get the leads to our customers for your business, this is the best way of marketing using Instagram business. So while using Instagram business, we need to integrate with the Facebook advertising. So here is the Facebook ad account, and where we will be having one active campaign of WhatsApp messaging ad. So in these messaging conversations we are spending almost 32 per one conversations. That means after clicking on the ad he will be drop a message directly to our WhatsApp. So he will be message will be dropped on the WhatsApp, so they will be clicking on the WhatsApp messaging button, then it will be reach out to us. So it is like called WhatsApp messaging ad. So it was reached only to 79 people as of now, just started. So if it's reaching to more people, we'll be getting more conversions. Conversion is nothing but we are converting the ad, I mean response rate is high, so we are converting that customer to get send message to our WhatsApp. So let's preview the ad how it is looking. So here is the preview of the ad, how it looks. So this is the page of ours, so it will be integrated with our page and the headline will be there. This is the poster, add image, and in below that WhatsApp button. So once the users clicks on the WhatsApp button, it will be directly connected to our WhatsApp messaging apps and it will be dropping the message there. So how it will be connected? So first of all we need to install WhatsApp business applications from the Android app store or the Play stores. So WhatsApp businesses integrates and engages to the customers. So what are the tools we can use business? So here is you can go to the Play Store or App Store and once install the business app, it will be look like a WPA business. And here you can set up your devices. You can also link in multiple devices via to desktop, or you can also integrate with 4 to 5 devices as per the WhatsApp rule. You can link the devices to multiple mobile phones also. So here you can see the options called in the above advertise. We are having business tools. We are having other options also which will not be available normal WhatsApp. So let's check business tools. We can update our business profile there, catalogs, advertise, and also we can integrate Facebook and Instagram accounts to this WhatsApp business account. So let's check business profile. So I have given the business profile name, the category it's I just given as arts and entertainment, the business name. So we can also schedule what are the timings, your email, your website ID. So all the details will be filled here in the business profile to showcase it to the customers or clients who are looking at your profile. So I didn't listed my website name, so let's update the website name here, services.in. So once I update the business profile, it looks good. So all the details are having here. So somebody receives a message from Positive Techno Services, they will going to the profile and they can see all the details like email, phone number, etc. So here is you can add the catalogs also. You can add your products if you are a selling merchant, anything you can update here, and you can also set the status. So as it is common, so you can add the short description to your profile also. So if anybody sees it, they can able to grasp what is it about, what's your functionality about, or what is your business is about. You can list your products also. Click on a manage and you can list the products, and also you can also integrate your Facebook account, Instagram account to showcase it to the people. So once they are done, your complete is now your profile has been completed. So let's check out some other options available in the WhatsApp business. That is most importantly greeting message. Whenever the greeting message is a customizable message that automatically sends to your customers when they first time messaging you. or it also be sent when the customer messages you after 14 days of inactivity. So when again they chat with you or send a message to you, it will be sent to the customers as a greeting message. So here is a sample greeting message I have done. So it is automatically sent to every customer who is messaging us. And also you can set like as it is in the WhatsApp, it should not be sent to everyone, or it should be sent to only address people, or it should be everyone except few people else. So you can also set these settings as per your requirements. So you can also set away messages. Away messages Saturday, Sundays, your business is off, you can also set the status messages and you can send the same message there. Thank you for showing the message, we are unable right now. So it's automatically updated, you can see in the below. So this is the away message you can send to the customers when you are off, like any festival, holidays, or any off. You can schedule that day. So Sunday you are not working, Saturday you are not working, you can set that when it should be on and when it should be off. So here is the custom away message we are giving it for our customers. So once done, you can save the message. That's it. So that is about away messages. And the next lesson is about quick replies. How you can make a format of quick replies and forward it to your clients. So quick reply messages is an automated generated reply to your customers. So you can use this feature to send and type slash. So whenever you put slash on the message bar, it will be generated some quick reply, so that you can easily use this feature to send. So let us try on this. So what is the shortcut you need to put to send that? So most of that we need to use the slash button, but let us try using some other one. And what are the reply messages we can use? Is the format we can use. So once we type this shortcut, the reply messages will be generated. So let's use some shortcuts and let's try what is the reply message we wanted to give. So it can be anything like customer reply, your client reply, what are the services you do, so which will be easily sent to the client. So that messages we will be using for shortcut. So whenever customer suggest any message, so we need to send quickly all these messages. So when using the shortcuts, we will able to send these messages quickly to the customer. So let's try some quick replies. So as we are part of digital marketing services, we will be sending some quick replies which will be related to our business and which would be usually we send to the all the clients as a reply messages. So these are our quick replies we will be sending usually to the clients whenever we got a message from them. So these are the services we will be using the shortcut called help. So whenever you type slash on the message bar, so it will be shown, so that you can easily send it to the client instead of typing all the messages per customer to customer. So you can use this shortcut. So I will be showing after the screen how we can use these shortcuts and quick replies easily sending to the clients. So these are the quick replies. You can use other replies also if you wish, if you are into different industry, so you can use that format. So once done, we can send the replies using the slash button. So here is I'm open my business WhatsApp business profile, and I'll send some simultaneous messages to the customers. So while sending some messages, we wanted to send some replies which is automatically sent, or default we need to send it to every customers if it requires. For example, what are the services we offer to the clients, so like that we can send to them. Here instead of services I used help, so you can use any other normal reply. So whenever I type slash, so it will be shown up, so you can use that just select the options and you can send. So I've selected the help shortcut, so it will be sending. Instead of that, you can use some other shortcut also. Let's type some other shortcut. Click on the quick reply button, which is in the yellow. So in the slash, so just typing the slash and check what are the shortcuts we can use in the quick replies. So we need to select slash. I'm sending these three quick replies: thanks, help, and business profile. So when I send business profile, it will be my business account will be sent to the people who wish to choose. So not only that, we can also send a lot of options like location, services, other replies. So we can send maximum of quick replies. So it will be like a shortcut. Instead of typing all the informations, we can use these shortcuts like thanks message, reply message. So we can also use some other options also apart from that quick replies. So this is about sending the messages to it and how we can use the quick reply option using the slash button. So this is about this lesson.